Let's see the magnetic properties. Electron in an atom, like a magnet, its magnetic moment is due to first orbital motion around the nucleus and second spin around its own axis. The magnetic moment is calculated by the formula mu is equal to n square root n of n plus 2 bm, where n is the number of unpaired electrons. Example, O2, Cu2 plus Fe2 3 plus, etc. The magnetic moment is assured in terms of Bohr magnetons, means bm. The 1 bm is equal to Eh upon 4 pi mc. The value of 1 bm is 9.27 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 am square, where E is the charge of electron, h is the Planck's constant, m is the mass of electron, and c is the velocity of light. So let's start the new topic. Mu is equal to in square root n of n plus 2 bm, where the n is equal to 1, then the value of mu in bm is 1.7. When n is equal to 2, then the mu is equal to 2.8. When n is 3, then mu is 3.8. When n is 4, then mu is 4.9 bm, and n is 5, then mu is 5.9 bm. Now let's magnetic substance are basically 5 types. First, diamagnetic. Second, paramagnetic. Third, ferromagnetic. Fourth, antiferromagnetic. And fifth, ferrimagnetic. First, diamagnetism. Diamagnetic substances are weakly repelled by the magnetic field. These substances do not contain an unpaired electrons. All the electrons are paired, which cancel their magnetic moment. Example, H2O, NaCl, etc. Second, paramagnetism. Paramagnetic substances are weakly attracted by the magnetic field. These substances contain one or more unpaired electrons, which is the cause for their magnetic moment. These lose their magnetism in the absence of magnetic field. Example, O2, Cu2 plus, Fe3 plus, etc. Third, ferromagnetism. Ferromagnetic substances are strongly attracted by the magnetic field. This substance can be permanently magnetized. In this substance, the spin of all unpaired electrons will be parallel. Example, Fe, Co, Ni, CrO2, etc. Antiferromagnetism. Substance existing antiferromagnetism also contain unpaired electron. By the alignment of these electrons, magnetic moment of atom or molecule cancel each other. As a result, the net magnetic moment will be 0. Example, MnO2, V2O3, NiO4, etc. Ferrimagnetism. Substance existing ferromagnetism also contain unpaired electrons, but the alignment of these electrons are unequal, resulting a less magnetic moment. On heating, these substances convert to paramagnetic substances. Example, Fe2O3, Fe3O4, MgFe2O4, ZnF2O4, CuFe2O4. V2O3 convert to paramagnetic at 150 Kelvin and NiO at 523 Kelvin. Okay.